Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've forgotten your Gmail password or just want to reset it and create a new one, don't worry. It's a simple process and you can do it in just a few minutes. Here's how. Start by going to the Gmail login screen on your device. Type in the email address for the account you want to recover, then click Next. When it asks for your password, instead of entering one, click on Forgot Password. At this point, Gmail will guide you through different verification methods depending on what you've set up on your account. For example, it might give you the option to confirm your identity using an authentication key or send a notification to your phone. If you receive a notification, just tap Yes on your phone to confirm. This will allow you to move on and reset your password. If you can't use that method, click on Try Another Way at the bottom left corner of the screen. Gmail will then show you other recovery options, such as sending a text message or phone call with a verification code to your registered recovery number. Enter that code when prompted to confirm your identity. Once Gmail verifies it's you, you'll be asked to set a new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using easy-to-guess passwords like your name or birth date, and make sure it's something you'll remember. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, click Next, and that's it. You've successfully reset your Gmail password and regained access to your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.